How to add music on Messenger Notes. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Messenger application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you navigate to chat page, on your left hand side at the top, there you'll find an option as your note. Tap on share a thought. Now from here you can share a note. Now to add music on your note, there is a music icon, tap on it. After that, you have to choose the song that you would like to add in your note. For example, I have this music right here. After that, you can crop the music you want with this timeline. You can simply drag this timeline and select the part of music that you would like to add in your Messenger note. Once it's on, tap on this done. And after that, you can write something to this note. If not, you can simply tap on share. And with that, the music has been added to your Messenger notes. And that's how you add music on Messenger note. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.